Hey, this is Ron, your favorite photographer and videographer. We took a trip down to Wildwood, New Jersey on like a warm, sunny Sunday afternoon in the beginning of March, unusually mild winter here. And we went, the video you're seeing right now, we're driving to a place called, some people call it Diamond Beach, some call it Wildwood Gables, where they have these old 50s and 60s kind of Art Deco retro style motels and beach hotels. So I thought that was kind of neat, and then we went over to the Boardwalk and got the Mavic 2 Pro up and got some shots of the water park and the Ferris wheel over there. This video here is taken with a GoPro 7 attached to the front windshield of my of Susan's car. So again, I hope you enjoy this video. We don't often get down to Wildwood. It's real crowded here in the, of course, summer months, but thought we'd take a little tour here, get a little video. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and we'll see you on the next one.